What is up guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we are not going to talk about the VFR 800, but we are going to talk about the project bike. Well, the project bike is standing right behind me and I'm going to talk a little bit about that. But first, let us take a moment for the intro. So, with that out of the way, I have a few new updates to the channel. I will normally post one video a week right now about the new project bike. I will probably pay with my own money. Well, yeah, I don't have a Patreon or something. But yeah, that aside, I have the bike ready for strip down. But the problem is, I cannot make a video of 10 minutes or 30 minutes or something, because that will take a lot of time. But anyways, let's take a look at the new project bike. And here it is. This is the Honda XL V600 Transalp, and as you can see, it has a different kind of front end. I think this one is from a what do you call it? From a Africa Twin. But hey, it should run. Has a nice exhaust. It's a super trap if you didn't know this. But I think I'm going to remove this and put an AliExpress a Krapovich or something on this, just to make it look nicer. Or I can also repaint this whole thing again. But the project is about building a V-twin supermoto, and this bike is the perfect example of building something that looks like shit into something that looks like less shit. So these wheels, yeah, these look actually still nice, but I will remove the rim and put a supermoto rim on it, so I can keep the hub and everything in the assembly, so it will cost a little bit less. The state of the shocks is still okay. The boots, I will remove these, I think. This will be changed to a more supermoto style-esque thingy, which will mean I will remove the whole instrument cluster right here. We don't need that. I will also replace this thing into a Trailtech Vapor, but that I still need to purchase that. Handlebars, these will all be removed. Maybe I will keep these instruments, but these will need a little bit of lube because, yeah, as you can see, I have self-canceling third signals. And yeah, these grips are so dirty. I don't think I will replace this because it still has a lot of grip in there. And yeah, for the rest, tank will be changed to a CR250 tank. This will be changed to a CR250 seat. All the plastics will be removed. This will also be removed. I will weld a new subframe on it. You know, the whole deal. Supermoto with a base of an Africa Twin. Well, yeah, with the base of a Transalp. And as you might notice, there's the battery. It's not in the bike because the bike doesn't start yet, because the battery is empty, of course. And yeah, I have tried another battery, but it doesn't work. But with this battery, the one on the ground that I got with the bike, the Nitro battery, that one just turns over the bike. So I will keep this on charge for a while and then see what will happen afterwards. But yeah, everything on this bike will be stripped down. I will remove everything of it. It will be just the frame that we will keep, and the engine, and the swing arm, and the front fork. But the rest, gone. Here's also a little Photoshop that you can see here. And I will also yeah, show you what it will look afterwards. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first part of multiple parts to come. This bike has costed me 500 euros all in, without the transport of course, but the transport cost like 160 or something because I needed to do it myself. I couldn't find anyone with a trailer or something. But yeah, that's motovlogging for you. It costs a lot of money. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together.